Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you one of the best websites that gives free strong proxies or SOCKS 5, right? Yeah, so the name of the website is TASQIP. Okay, so TASQIP.com. Alright, so that's how the website looks like. They have a very clean interface. Yeah, so as you can see, free residential and ISP proxies, which you are going to get by watching ads. Okay, so once you watch the ads, you are going to get free credit to unlock your proxy. So it's very simple. It's not like you're going to pay money or something. It's very free and also simple to get. So if you don't have an account yet, you tap on start free trial, right? But if you have an account like me, you tap on I have an account, right? So I'll tap on I have an account. Then you will input your email and then your password. So let me enter my password. Okay, then I'll sign in. Okay, so it says login successful to direct me to the dashboard, right? As you can see, I have a balance of 5. So once you create an account, you automatically get a balance of 5, right? Then you can also redeem or claim daily rewards. Yeah, so you just tap on it and then that's it. I've claimed 5 rewards. So adding up to this, I've gotten 10. Okay, I've gotten 10 points already. So if I want to gain more, all I need to do is I can either watch videos. Okay, I'll watch video of 30 seconds to get another 10 points. So let's start watching the ad. It's just a short video. It's not even up to 30 seconds. So that's it. It's very simple. It's just a 10-second video and then I've gotten an additional 10 points, making 20, right? So all I need to do is to come to this menu over here and then go to SOCKS. So basically SOCKS 5 proxies. Okay, so I'll unlock the country I want, whether US, UK, like a lot. You have Germany and a whole lot. So assuming I want UK, I'll just tap on unlock, right? So I'm going to use 15. Okay, and I'll go back to the dashboard, right? Now come here, tap on the menu and then go to proxy. So that's where I'm going to see the proxy I just unlocked, right? So I'll tap on copy details. Yeah, so it has copied the IP and then the port. So after copying your details, right, after copying the proxy details, you can just open your notes and then paste it over there. So you're going to get your username, the password, the port and then the IP. Yeah, very simple. So let me show you how you can identify your password, IP, port and then username. So after each column you get your details, right? So let me just separate it. Okay, so I've been able to separate it and get rid of this. Okay, so that it will be very simple. So I now have my username, my password, the port, sorry, the IP and then the port. So all I need to do is to open any configurator like potato, right? Now tap on this plus sign, go to manual, select SOCKS 5, right? And I'll enter the details. So first of all, the server is the same as the host, right? Yeah, the host. So I'll just paste the server over here. The port 2 is over here. And I'll select the password type. So it means with the proxy I'm using right now, I'm to enter the username and then the password. So let me paste it, and then lastly my password, right? So let me just paste. Okay, paste my password and that's it. Okay, so I'll just tap on it and then start connecting. Okay, so once it shows connected, I'll just open my browser and then go to word.net. So let's see if our location will change. So as you can see, our location has changed successfully, right? Our location has successfully changed. The disguise is 70%, which is a good one, right? So that's it for today's video. Very, very simple. Just a website that gives you free proxies by watching ads or video. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video.